My name is Pearl Human, and I'm a public health science and psychology double major with a biology minor from Los Angeles, California. I am so grateful to be a GSBF this year and learn more about public health. I love that social entrepreneurship addresses one's social determinants of health to create impact that is both sustainable and far-reaching, and I'm so excited to be a part of that impact.
Hello, my name is Alexa Williams. I am a sociology and communication double major with a minor in applied ethics. I'm from San Jose, California. I was interested in this fellowship because I believe we all have a duty to work towards social progress in whatever capacities we can, and I see social entrepreneurship as a way to create that sustainable change. I'm particularly looking forward to using the interviewing and survey skills I have developed to provide something meaningful for our social enterprise. Next slide, please. InnovationWorks Baltimore is a community organization and social enterprise accelerator. InnovationWorks' mission statement is to close the racial wealth divide in Baltimore that disproportionately affects Black and Latino residents. They create social impact through community outreach with business programs such as Boost, and they utilize the GSBI curriculum. They also use physical spaces such as Ignite Hubs. InnovationWorks connects with entrepreneurs with the resources and knowledge to solve their problems by leveraging local assets. These workshops and community spaces offer free business consultation through one-on-one meetings with members of the InnovationWorks team. To make sure our work is as impactful as possible, we need to clearly define the areas of InnovationWorks needs and figure out how our deliverables fit into that. We have identified 2 areas of needs. The knowledge of innovation work, they have been facilitating their key community connections and conversations. However, this has not been explicitly documented. This information needs to be explained such that people outside of the team can understand what they do and use the similar methods to implement in other contexts when they scale. Additionally, InnovationWorks does not have an internal source of revenue. Therefore, it is reliant on economic support through different donors and grants. Because of this, InnovationWorks needs to compile a list of resources and metrics that allow it to quantify its success and impact, therefore making it competitive for grant applications in the future. Next slide, please.
Our research plan seeks to address these needs by helping us understand InnovationWorks methodology. First, we will be conducting interviews with numerous members of the InnovationWorks team, their community partners, and members of the Miller Center. Through these interviews, we hope to learn about what aspects of InnovationWorks are mission-specific and which are relevant to Baltimore specifically. We also hope to conduct ethnographic research on-site in Baltimore, but this will depend on how safe it is to travel later this year. Next, we will be organizing and analyzing our data to pick out salient aspects of InnovationWorks methodology that are relevant for a playbook. This analysis will also help us determine what sets InnovationWorks apart from other social enterprise and business accelerators. Our analysis will then allow us to compile the data into a playbook in a way that is helpful and easy to understand. In doing so, we will have created a deliverable that will help InnovationWorks as it begins to scale into other cities. Next slide. As said previously, we will be creating a playbook for InnovationWorks that thoroughly documents their methodology. We believe that a playbook will be helpful in InnovationWorks' efforts to scale because it will document the ingredients for success that make InnovationWorks special. In essence, we will be explaining how InnovationWorks goes about creating social impact. This playbook will not only highlight InnovationWorks' areas of strength, but also areas for growth.
Our tentative topics of discussion in this playbook include things like mission and impact, operating model and business logic, markets and customers, leaderships and teams, financial models, modes of financing, and roadmap. We also plan to put this data in and organize documents to this resource folder for grant applications so InnovationWorks can create competitive applications in the future. Thank you for listening. Are there any questions?